Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to collect free fake play money chips in Pokerstars and essentially start playing different tournaments, cash games, sit and goes on your iPhone or Android device, basically on mobile. So I'm going to go to the Pokerstars app, click into there, and this is the home page of the Pokerstars app once you have logged in. Go to the bottom right to your account, and from there it's going to give you the option of either staying and playing with real money or with play chips. And I'm going to press this button. It's going to activate the play chips section of Pokerstars. And you can actually see my balance is 362,000 play chips. From there's a button below that is grayed out at the moment. It says collect in 3 hours and 20 minutes. If you want to, basically every 4 hours you can click that button and it's going to deposit 15,000 chips into your overall balance. I did this 40 minutes ago and it added 15,000 chips. So come back in 4 hours and you can have the option of requesting more play chips. From there, I'm going to hit the bottom left of the poker section of the app, and this is the home screen. You can go to cash games, you can go to sit and goes, tournaments. Let's just take cash games for example. The very first one, no limit hold'em, 100 to 200 stake blinds. From there you can basically buy in for 20,000 chips, press confirm, and that's going to give you a seat at the table right here, and once it loads you can start playing poker. I am going to leave this game, and you can go to maybe tournaments for example, and if you wanted to play no limit 5-card draw, hit that one, and from there press the bottom green button, register now, and if you do this correctly and you actually have enough chips to play in this game, it will say register now or confirm registration, and that will give you a seat at the table in this tournament. Well guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please subscribe and like.